previous class we have discussed about the general characteristics of algae. Today we will be discussing about the classification in algae. Depending on the biochemical and morphological differences, there are several systems of classification in algae, like Fritz system of classification, Patcher's system of classification, Chapman and Chapman system of classification, etc. But in our syllabus, we are considering only Chapman and Chapman system of classification. In 1962, Chapman V.J., a botanist, classified algae into 4 divisions and 10 classes. But later in 1973, once again he classified the algae into 11 divisions and 15 classes along with another botanist named Chapman D.J. Hence, this system of classification is known as Chapman and Chapman system of classification. According to this system of classification, there are 2 phylum. One is Prokaryota, second one is Eukaryota. Under Prokaryota, we have only one division, that is Cyanophyta, and one class, that is Cyanophyceae. Under Eukaryota, we are having 10 divisions and 14 classes. First one is Rhodophyta, having a class Rhodophyceae. Second one is Chlorophyta, having a class Chlorophyceae, Prasinophyceae and Charophyceae. There are 3 classes under Chlorophyta. Third one is Euglenophyta, having a class Euglenophyceae. Fourth one is Chloromonadophyta, having a class Chloromonadophyceae. Fifth one is Xanthophyta, having a class Xanthophyceae. Sixth one is Bacillariophyta, having a class Bacillariophyceae. Seventh one is Chrysophyta, having a class Chrysophyceae. Eighth one is Phaeophyta, having a class Phaeophyceae. Ninth one is Pyrophyta, having 2 classes, Dinophyceae and Desmophyceae. 10th one is Cryptophyta, having a class Cryptophyceae. These classes are further divided into several orders followed by families, genus and species. Let's go through one by one classes. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮಿನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ Charophyceae. They are commonly called as stoneworts. There is one family, that is Characeae, having 6 genera and 250 species. They are found in clear and still water. Usually, Chara are found in freshwater forms. The thallus is attached to the substratum by rhizoidal system. That means, if the Chara is present in ponds or any aquatic condition, it is attached to the mud or soil present under the water. That is just similar to the roots in higher plants, but they are not true roots, hence they are called rhizoids. The erect body possesses nodes and internodes. Nodes means the point on the plant body from where the leaves are arised. Plant ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಜಾಗದಿಂದ ಎಲೆಗಳು ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ 2 ನೋಡಲ್ ರೀಜನಿನ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Here you can see this point and this point. They are called as nodes, and between these 2 nodes, this region is called as internode. Each node bears a whorl of branches of limited growth known as leaves. Here you can see at the nodal region there is a whorl of leaves, but they are not true leaves. They are similar to the leaf-like structure. Hence they are called as leaves. Okay. The reproduction in Chara is by vegetative and sexual methods. Vegetative method is by bulbil and amylum starbs formation, and sexual reproduction is by oogamous type. Asexual reproduction is completely absent. Second class is chlorophyceae. They are commonly called as green algae because major content in the algal cells are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B than xanthophyll and carotenoids. Hence, they look completely green. This is the natural habitat of chlorella. This is chlorella. You can see here. This is the natural habitat of chlorella. It completely looks like a green bed. Okay. It includes about 43 families and 5,700 species. They are common in seawater and freshwater. They are found in both seawater and freshwater. Pyridones are present. Pyridones are the structure inside the chloroplast. The cells exhibit 2 or 4 flagella in equal length if motile. The chlorophyceae contains both motile and non-motile algae. If the algae is motile, then it contains 2 or 4 flagella in equal length. The cells may be filamentous, heterotrichous, siphonos, or pseudoparenchymatous. Reproduction is by sexual method. Some examples for chlorophycean members. Previous slide you have seen chlorella. This one is volvox. Volvox is a colonial algae. That means the volvox cells are present in group covered by a mucilaginous layer. Here you can see many volvox cells are covered by the mucilaginous membrane. This is the individual colony of the volvox. Idagonium and Chlamydomonas. They are also an example for chlorophyceae. Idagonium. This is Idagonium. It is an example for filamentous form of algae. Here you can see the cells of the Idagonium are attached side by side, forming a filament. Hence, this is known as filamentous form. This is the natural habitat of natural form of Idagonium. This one is Chlamydomonas. This is an example for heterotrichous form. Means it consists of an erect part and a prostrate part. Erect body. This is a prostrate flagella. Example for chlorophycean algae. Third class is Phaeophyceae. They are commonly called as brown algae. There are about 64 families and 195 genera. The chromatophores are brown in color. Hence, they are called as brown algae. They look completely brown in color. The storage products are alcohols, mannitols, and laminarin, rarely oils. The motile cells contain 2 lateral flagella. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and alginic acid. Sexual reproduction is common and varies from isogamy to oogamy. The thallus may be heterotrichous or pseudoparenchymatous. Most of them are living in marine water as brown seaweeds, while few live in freshwater. Some of the examples for Phaeophyceae, that means brown algae. This is sargassum. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಬೀಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೀವೀಡ್ sargassum. This is Dictyota. This is Macrocystis and this is Laminaria. This is Fucus, another seaweed. This is Postelia, commonly called as sea palm. ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪಾಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಮರ, ತೆಂಗಿನ ಮರ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅದೇ ತರ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೀ ಪಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮರೈನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀ ಪಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Fourth class is Rhodophyceae, commonly called as red algae. There are about 42 families and 400 genera. They contain red chromatophores, hence they look completely red color. Pyrenaids are often present in lower forms. This class Rhodophyceae contains higher algae and lower algae. In the lower algae, you can see pyrenaids. Food reserves are fluoridine starch, galactan sulfate, and fluoridocytes. They are non-motile cells. The cell wall is made up of polysaccharides. Asexual and sexual reproduction are common. Sexual reproduction is oogamous type. The thallus may be unicellular or multicellular. Multicellular forms are filamentous or pseudoparenchymatous. Many live in marine water, commonly called as red seaweeds. Few are freshwater forms and also live in soil. ಈ ರೋಡೋಫೈಸಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರೋಡೋಫೈಸಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೆರೈನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೋಡೋಫೈಸಿ: ಪಾಲಿಸಿಫಾನಿಯಾ, ಗ್ರಾಸಿಲೇರಿಯಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಗೋಸ್ಪರ್ಮಮ್. Fifth one is cyanophyceae or mixophyceae. They are commonly called as blue-green algae. There are about 18 families and 150 genera. The members of this class are prokaryotic and do not possess membrane-bound organelles. This is the only prokaryotic algae belong to this class, cyanophyceae, and they don't have any membrane-bound organelles. Chromatophores and pyrenaids are completely absent. The color of the algae is due to the presence of excess of phycocyanin, chlorophyll A, beta carotene, myxoxanthin, and phycoerythrin in the cell protoplasm. ಬ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫೈಕೋಸೈನಿನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಶುಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಜನ್. ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ mucopolysaccharides and gelatinous envelope. There is no sexual reproduction. Only vegetative and asexual reproductions are common. The thallus may be unicellular or colonial or filamentous form. The members are distributed in freshwater, moist soil. Few are live in seawater. Oscillatoria. This one is filamentous form of algae. This is nostoc. This is Glyocapsa. This is Cytonema. Sixth class is Chrysophyceae, commonly called as orange algae. It includes about 22 families and 82 genera. One or two brown or orange colored chromatophores are present, hence they are called orange algae. They look orange in color. Pyrenaids are present but are not covered by starch layer. They contain flagella. The number of flagella may vary from 1, 2 or 3. Cell wall is non-cellulosic and bears silicified or calcified plates. That means the cell wall contains silica and calcium. Sexual reproduction is rare if present, that is isogamous type. The thallus may be single, coxide, palmellid, dendroid or filamentous. Most of the members are freshwater forms, some are marine forms. Examples are Melomonas, this is Melomonas, and this one is Chrysomoeba. This is Pedinella and this one is Phyothamnion. Seventh class is Xanthophyceae, They are commonly called as yellow-green algae. It includes 12 families, about 75 genera and 675 species. These algae contain excess of xanthophyll and small amount of chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll E and carotenoids. Hence they look yellow-green in color. Pyrannids are absent. Reserve food material is in the form of oil and leucosin. Cell wall contain pectin and silica. 2 flagella are there with unequal length. Asexual and vegetative reproductions are common. Multicellular cells may be palmelloid, dendroid, Cephalus or filamentous. Both freshwater and saltwater forms are there. Example, Vacheria. 8th class is Bacillariophyceae. This is commonly called as golden brown algae or diatoms. You might have heard about the diatomaceous earth. It is due to this algae. Golden brown algae are diatoms. There are about 11 families and 170 genera. They contain golden brown or yellow chromatophores. The storage products are fats, leucosin and volutin. The cell wall is made up of pectin and silica. Motile cells possess a single anterior pantonymatic flagellum. The members are unicellular or filamentous colonies. They are distributed in freshwater, seawater and also in terrestrial habitats. Examples, this is Pinularia and this is Surirella. This one is Triceratium. Second one is Diplonesis and this is Navicula. They are the most common examples for diatoms. 9th class is Cryptophyceae. There are 4 families and 14 genera under this class. They bear 2 chromatophores with various colors. Pyrannids may be present. The storage products are starch and oil. The motile cells have 2 slightly unequal flagella at their anterior ends. Reproduction is by longitudinal cell division and cyst formation. That means single cell divides into 2 in longitudinal manner. And cyst formation means a resting cyst forms around the spore. Sexual reproduction is rare if present, that is isogamous type. They are common in marine water. Examples, Chromonas and Cryptomonas. This is Chromonas and this is Cryptomonas. Last one, 10th class is Dinophyceae. There are about 25 family and 58 genera. They bear numerous discoid chromatophores with yellow or brown color. The storage products are starch and oil. The members are motile single cells. The cell wall is composed of cellulose. They reproduce by forming cysts. They are commonly found in freshwater, brackish water and marine water. Example, Gymnodium. This is about the classification of algae. In the next class, we will be discussing about the economic importance of algae. If you find any difficulties in understanding any topics, you can ask freely through text or call. Thank you.